If you want to activate Siri on iPhone 17e, we have a couple of ways to do so. The first method is to simply use the side button or the power button that we have here on the right side. By default, if you press and hold that button, you should be able to activate Siri, and then you can say something out loud to Siri in order to, send a request, to ask Siri about something, to talk to Siri, essentially. And then after a short while, we should be able to get the feedback or the answer. Besides that, if we go to settings and choose Apple Intelligence in Siri, then over here we can go to talk and type to Siri, and you should be able to find the voice activation. So we can say Siri or Hey Siri or just Hey Siri. It's up to you which of these phrases you wish to be able to use in order to activate Siri out loud, so you won't have to press the power button. And besides that, there is also type to Siri. If this option is enabled, you can double tap the bottom edge of iPhone to type to Siri. So let's see if it's going to work. Maybe if I type over here, yeah, there we go. So my bad, it was supposed to be here in the middle, but at the bottom of the screen. So there we go. We can ask Siri by just simply typing whatever we want to know about our iPhone. And that is maybe not even just iPhone, but about anything, I guess. So that's it. Leave a like and subscribe.